Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Hope you are all staying safe during this pandemic. My name is Ronnie Rabina and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my new office. So it's been about a year and a half since my last YouTube video. Life kind of got in the way and had to make a few changes, but I'm back and ready to bring you guys some new content. As you can see, this channel has a whole new look from the channel page to my studio. Unfortunately, I had to move out of my last place, which had a nice basement to set up my office/studio, but I was able to transform my new space into what it is now. First, let's start off with my desk setup. Some things will still be the same as the last tour, but I do have a few new items as well. So I'm still running three 27-inch Asus monitors sitting on an IKEA desk with IKEA drawers. And don't worry, I'll put all the actual names of all my stuff in the description below. Moving on, for my chair, I use the Millberget, which is also from IKEA. After using it for almost 2 years, I'm still quite happy with it. Doesn't have a lot of extra features like some other chairs, but it still works for me. Next up, for my speakers, I have a couple of Yamaha HS5 monitor speakers on speaker stands. And just as a side note, on my last tour video, I received a bunch of messages asking where I got these custom speaker stands that attach to my desk, but they are just regular floor speaker stands. The specific ones I use have been discontinued, but any floor speaker stands will do. The speakers are connected to a Focusrite Scarlett 2i4 audio interface, and I also have my Sony MDR7506 headphones connected to it as well. Continuing on, I have switched to the Corsair K55 RGB for my keyboard and the Corsair Harpoon RGB for my mouse. They are both wired and run through a hole that I put through my desk for that clean look. Finally, for my computer, I built an all-new system. I'm running an Asus motherboard with an Intel i7 8700 processor, which is liquid cooled, and I'm also running 32 gigs of RAM and an EVGA GTX 1080 graphics card. And all of that is housed in my new case, which is made by Corsair. Really liking the look of the new case, and I think it goes really well with my overall setup. And to the right over here, I also have some extra desk space if I need it. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments section below. I'm hoping to be doing a lot more YouTube videos this year. That includes photo and video tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'll also be doing quick gear reviews, DIY, and the odd vlog every now and then. If you guys have any specific videos you'd like me to do, just let me know. Thanks for checking out my 2020 office studio tour. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notification, and I'll see you guys next time.